You're doing the hustle, so why are you still broke? Let's talk about the part nobody warns you about. It's not that you're lazy, you're working harder than ever, putting in time, effort, energy, trying every hustle you can get your hands on. But the money? Still not showing up. And here's the reason most people miss. You're hustling just to survive, not to build. Always reacting, always chasing, never really in control. You see something that worked for someone else. You jump in and try it. You're moving constantly, but not forward, and it's burning you out. That financial pressure is always there. You're watching the bills stack up, the savings fade, and your time, it disappears doing stuff that barely moves the needle. Late nights, weekend stress, always busy, but not better off. That confidence you started with, it's fading. You begin to doubt yourself. You wonder if this is just the way it'll always be. But let me be clear, it's not you. It's the way you've been taught to hustle. Now imagine nothing changes. You keep grinding. Keep hoping the next hustle will be the one that works. But 3 months go by, then 6, then a year, and you're still broke. Still stuck. Still saying, I'm working on something big, but there's nothing to show for it. That's the trap. And that's where you'll stay, if you don't make a change. So ask yourself, honestly, do you want to change this? Do you want to stop guessing? Stop grinding with no results? Really think about that. Because once you make that decision, everything shifts. That frustration you've been carrying, it becomes fuel. Because you can break out of this cycle. You weren't meant to hustle just to survive. You're meant to win. But it only happens when you move with purpose. Not just effort. You need direction. You need a system. And here's the good news. Other people were stuck just like you. Until they stopped following the hype and started following a real strategy. They stopped chasing and started building. They finally started making money. And so can you. Start with this. Download the free guide below. 5 hustles that actually work. It gives you real examples, clear steps, and helps you skip the money traps that keep people stuck. And if you're ready to scale faster, there's a $19.99 upgrade that breaks each hustle down even further, so you can stop spinning your wheels. And finally, start winning. Your move.